Hey, it's John-Marc, and I'm excited to share this latest drawing video on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, you might look at that and say, obviously it's a truck. Yeah, it's kind of weird shape and stylized, because what I actually did is took some traditional animation that I used to grow up watching in the 1960s and 50s and try to play up some of their own style. So this is a style that some of the animators back then might have used in many shows that you might have seen, such as like the Pink Panther. Speaking of which, now that would be a good lesson to teach how to draw a Pink Panther. Do you know who that character is? If not, make sure you subscribe to my video series, because I might be just popping up one maybe next week or so. Never know. Always a surprise with me. Well, as always, I want to say, if you have your paper and a pencil, I think we're ready to begin the lesson right now. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Don't forget to stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website, that's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot.